Robbialac Epoxy Flooring System is a high-quality epoxy flooring solution designed for industrial environments, including operating theatres, the food industry, garment factories, and pharmaceutical factories. This flooring solution is perfect for indoor use in factories, warehouses, laboratories, clean rooms, automotive facilities, and other settings with moderate to high traffic. It meets food grade accreditation standards, ensuring a hygienic and safe environment. With superior quality compared to traditional floor paint and other epoxy floors, this flooring offers exceptional abrasion resistance for durability in demanding industrial environments. Its grooveless and seamless surface simplifies cleaning and maintenance. With a thickness range of 2 mm to 5 mm, this epoxy flooring system offers a robust and durable surface that can withstand heavy use and provide long-lasting performance. For more information or to get started on transforming your space, please contact us today.